Shenzhen GWSECU was established in 2009 and has been committed to the design and research of CCTV security technology. After years of technical accumulation and deep cultivation in the security market, it becomes a professional video surveillance products and solution service supplier, providing global customers with a complete series of high-performance and competitive CCTV products. Our GWSECU brand has been unanimously recognized by overseas users. Relying on network video technology, we continuously provide project-level professional video surveillance products with the e-commerce developments and the overseas users' concern for security monitoring. We have developed PoE security camera system for different user groups, offering one-stop video surveillance solutions for projects, business, and families. With decades of CCTV industry experience, GWSECU strictly produced all cameras by passing air tightness tests to ensure the durability in harsh weather and 24 hours continuously extremely working conditions. We currently mainly produce 3 megapixels to 12 megapixels high-definition PoE IP cameras and PTZ cameras, including the features of full color, smart dual light, color night vision, two-way audio talking, and ultra-wide viewing angle, suitable for a variety of indoor and outdoor application scenarios. GWSECU adheres to the service principles of professionalism, efficiency, and sincerity. We commit to promoting the development of video surveillance technology, serving the society, and creating greater value for customers.